As you can see, the notches are all perfectly aligned on the connector. But the angle of these connectors are slightly off for each one. You can see the outline on the silkscreen versus the connector. They're all slightly off. But then, the craziest thing is this one here. This one moves. While others are pretty locked. I think that's the only one that moves. Yeah, these are all locked. But yeah, as you can see, the yellow has these notches and they're all aligned. But for some reason, the angle on these guys are not exactly angled according to spec.